Welcome back. This video is about the hub, how to check it for play, change out the bearings and the seals, and the rotor, and then put it all back together. Let's do it. Here's a simple way to check for any hub play. You want to get your front end up off the ground. Just shake it side to side, shake it up and down. And if you don't have any movement actually in the wheel and hub, you're good. A real little bit is okay. You also want to give it a little spin. We want to make sure we're not hearing the bearings, metal on metal or a whole bunch of dirt grinded in there. So as long as you got a little bit of free spin, it's in really good shape. One other thing that can slow down your free spin is your caliper, if your brake pads are junk, your rotor's bent, stuff like that. So just try and focus on the hub, and then you can focus on the other components.
I'll try and show you how our hub looks. They're both the same. So the hub bearings are junk. Now we're going to change the rotor, the seals, and the bearings, the hub bearings. So I'm going to slide a socket down this hole and beat on the inner race of this bearing, and this will pop out. Now, on this one, I'm going to do the same thing. Beat on the inner race. Flush. Now you just do the opposite to install. Get our spider webs out. Ew. New bearings, new seals, but we'll reuse this bushing. And he sees it up. Give the bearing a few light taps. Get her started. There it goes. Remember, we're going to hit on that inner race. Hit it down till it seats. outer seal. Hit that flush. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Gonna hit on the outer race till it feels solid. Can't go down no more. Outside seal, just flush. A little bit of the C's inside of that seal. Slide the bushing in. And we'll flip it back over. Take our new rotor. Now I'm going to reuse this hardware. The shiny hardware that came with these rotors does not fit. Put some blue Loctite on them. Tight, and about an 1/8 turn. That's it. Ready for install.
Here you can see we have no more play. So it definitely needed bearings. That's all there is. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.